riding along one-handed while I film a red kite that's flying above me. There's a cyclist coming towards me, so I'm paying attention, riding one-handed. Oh, there's a pair of them up there hunting now. Let's just stop here as soon as, yeah. So I'm just filming a couple of red kites flying up there.
Oh no, brilliant, aren't they?
They are, they're wonderful, aren't they? And that's what happens when the Royal Air Force and USAF get out of our skies and stop scaring the wildlife away. So I'm just trying to get a good view of it. Hang on. It's right, they're circling the area at the moment, so let's have a look up. What a beautiful sight. Come on. Come closer so we can get a picture of you in all your magnificence. Just going behind the phone line. Just fighting against the wind, like I am on my bike. Excellent.